What's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to introduce you to our AK Universal kits. These kits are excellent if you have a AK magazine you don't know the origin of. The kit will come in 3 pieces. It'll come with a shaft, a base, and a retaining plate. And you have the additional add-on option to add a PMag plate. We have tested these in a variety of different AK magazines. Everything from your Russian Bakelights, US Palms, your Circle 11 Polish mags, Korean mags, Bulgarians, your Korean tankers, as well as Chinese tanker mags, your Zatava polymer mags, and even your AK-74 mags. If you are going to use these kits for the AK-74, you do need to make sure that you sand this part and this part of the base down. You can sand it down, you can cut it, because the AK-74s are a little thinner. You will need to do that slight modification. Okay, one of the easiest ways to test fit the magazine is you take the block. It'll come pre-assembled. You will just need to add glue. It'll come pre-assembled, ready to go. And what you're going to do to test is you break down your magazine, remove the floor plate, okay? Remove the factory retaining plate, set that aside. Then install the block, no glue, okay? Push it down to the body of the magazine. Okay. Put the floor plate back on. Okay. And there you go. Now what you want to do, test it. Say you have it blocked down to 9 rounds. You take the block out. Go ahead, give it a cut here at the line. Again, remember, it's always best to cut a little off. If you need to, you can recut it. Okay. Then test fit it. If you're at the 10 round mark, you like it, you then remove the block from the magazine. You reassemble the block itself, making sure that the arrow faces forward, kind of like you see the base of the block is in kind of an arrow position. You want to make sure that arrow is facing forward. Put a little glue here and here. Put it back together. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes. And then install it into the mag. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at magblocks@gmail.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day, guys.